Hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing another challenge video, and yeah, as you can see by the title, we're eating poo. Yeah, it's not obviously real poo. Carmio's is edible fake poo. It's poolicious. Basically it's a gummy, so we're eating gummy poo. It's not overly huge, it's like quite small, but I just wanted to just do it as a little gag kind of video. So let's open this bad boy up. Let's open this up. Let's see what this looks like. As you can see, it looks quite cool, because I know you get like a lot of these gag things, but this is actually edible. So I thought it was quite cool and I had to get it. It was only cheap as well, so let's get into this. It's not going to be much of a challenge, look at the size of it, but I thought it'd be fun. So let's get into it and let's eat that poo. It's cola flavour, as you can see there. I did say it wasn't much of a challenge, and that was pretty much it. I do have a, it's kind of large. I have about 5 or 6, I think, other gummy things lined up which I own. So it's not like I've got to buy them, which I want to make separate videos because they're all like big ones. This is the only like small one, and I thought it'd be kind of fun, but I think it's not that filling. But if it's going to be like that solid, it's going to be an annoying video. It just can be a bit of my jaw in that will, but that was fine because it wasn't that much. So thank you very much for watching. If you did enjoy, drop a like and subscribe if you're new, and hit that bell and you'll be notified by any new videos I bring out. And I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.